how well does CAPI convert? Is there another way to measure ad success? So,
what's CAPI?
Yeah, let's clarify. CAPI is the conversion API. So it's basically a piece of code that's going to connect from Facebook to wherever you're installing your Facebook tracking code. Let's just use Shopify as an example. That's what most of our audiences is following us. They do e-commerce. They use Shopify, right? So Shopify, you can install an app like, let's say, Trackify that lets you synchronize your Facebook code back to your Facebook ads manager. And so all it is it's sending extra data so that you can track or you can track conversions better. And it's just another way after the iOS 14 that it's just one of the tools that we're using to track results better. So my answer to you is yes, always use CAPI. Anything you can use to leverage or have a little extra advantage over zero data with iOS 14 nowadays, then you should be doing that. You should be doing CAPI. You should be doing another thing that's called offline conversion. So there's a way to send back the data that's happening on let's say all the purchases that are happening on your Shopify store, you can pass that on to Facebook and they'll track it as an offline conversion. So even if it started from your ad, they go to your store, they purchase, didn't track anything because the person opted out, right? This is a way to feed that data back to Facebook so that they can then, on their back end, track it back to your ad somehow. So that could be by way of your name, your email address, your phone number, something. They got everything on us.
All right, that's good. That's good. CAPI sounds like a captain or like the name of a friend of mine. It's a nickname. It's a nickname.
Yeah.
CAPI.
Like
El CAPI. All right, that's cool.
Thanks for watching this video. If you enjoyed this content, please go ahead and like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel now.
And leave us your comments down below so that we can get to them on the next episode.
All right.